It's Mr. B Lefty here. I'm not on the 100-acre mountain tonight. But we're gonna see about pulling that tree down without smashing the fence. My nephew there, he's a bad influence to me.
Yeah? Oh, dude.
Bro, he's gonna film it.
I'm good and good at it.
Camera.
You want me to video it?
Everybody watch out. Get the drink on.
Oh, you're not gonna click?
Right, there he is. He's going for it.
You're so adorable. I like you so much.
Oh, there we are.
Yes, it's all different dialects of their own.
Lot colors.
Holy crap. I have to run. There's another tree.
Okay, stop. You're all coming down.
That tree coming down right there.
And that was unsuccessful so far.
Yeah.
Okay, that didn't work yet. I think we'll try a different direction. We'll pull it that way now. Lakin, are you gonna hurt me?
Yeah.